Society for Rational Pharmacotherapeutics, and also his department and head, University of Medical Sciences, Sharda University. Next, I would like to call upon Professor H.S. Rehan sir. He's the General Secretary, ISR PK, and he's the department head, Lady Hardinge Medical College, India. So I would like to call upon our Chairman, Department of Pharmacology, Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College, Professor Mohammad Nasiruddin. He's the organizing chairman of this conference. Next, I would like to invite on dais Professor Syed Ziaur Rahman sir. He's the organizing secretary of this conference and also professor in the Department of Pharmacology and deputy medical superintendent of this Jawaharlal Nehru Medical Hospital. Now, to start with the function, it is indeed a matter of pleasure for me to welcome you all to this valedictory function of the 9th Annual Conference of Indian Society for Rational Pharmacotherapeutics. And the theme for the conference this year was Rational Therapeutics, a step for a healthy nation, to seek and to explore the ever-evolving discipline of pharmacology and to delve on the recent advances and its application to quality medical education and patient care for a healthy nation. Now, we had a series of events which started with the pre-conference workshop. In the workshop, it was a matter of pleasure for us to listen to various dignitaries from across the nation, and it emphasized on the role of more of interaction between teacher and student in order to enhance the quality of products we get. Let me intervene. We have on dais our Dean, Professor S.C. Sharma sir, who is also a chairperson from Department of PNP. Thank you. So, continuing with the proceedings, we had a pre-conference workshop which focused on interactive sessions between student and teacher, and also it had various lovely lectures on concepts of essential medicine, selection of P-drug, antibiotic audit, and also about ethical and legal aspects which are involved in clinical trials. And I would like to thank all the speakers for their valuable sessions. And this was followed by a conference, two-day conference, which had various scientific sessions. Here in the sessions, the main focus was on rational therapeutics and the safe use of drugs among clinical practitioners. The deliberations were made and we came out with the results that if we collaborate more between physicians and the basic sciences, we would come up with various outcomes that can be good for our medical fraternity. We had clinicians and pharmacologists who actively participated and contributed to the workshop and the conference. Oral presentations and poster sessions were held, The prizes were awarded for these functions, and I would take this opportunity to thank all the delegates who attended this workshop and made this a success. And scientific sessions deliberations were made on the judicial use of antibiotics, clinical pharmacology, recent advances. Also, we had a keynote lecture session which was on rational use of anti-cancer drugs, on the rational use of NSAID, and various other informative sessions were there. Now, I would like to call upon Professor Mohammad Nasiruddin. He is a professor and chairman, Department of Pharmacology. He is also a coordinator Pharmacological Vigilance Center in Jawaharlal Nehru Medical College. And about him, I would like to say that he is a very good teacher and he is always available to extend his help to us whenever we need it. So, sir.
Respected my teacher, Professor K.C. Singhal Sahab, the guest of the day, and Professor S.A. Sharma Sahab, Dean Principal and Chief Medical Superintendent of Medical College, and also my respected teachers, Professor K.K. Sharma Sir. Yesterday he was President of ISRPT, but today he is my teacher also, because so many times we have met at different places in my medical college, other places also. And Professor H.S. Rehan Sahab, and my colleague Professor Syed Ziaur Rahman Sahab. Dear audience sitting off the dais, very good afternoon to everybody and Assalamu Alaikum. And also my residents, because I forgot the address, residents and non-teaching staff of the department, because they are the backbone of this show which you have observed for last 2 days, and also including the pre-workshop conference, because these are the youngsters who have worked for 2 months. I have seen so many faces. I could not name here because I named some of the faces and he or she can feel some bad. So I took charge of chairmanship on 8th of August this year. And then after that, we accelerated the work regarding this conference and pre-conference workshops. So from that day, I saw so many times, and I also so many times I advised them that you do the work with full energy, but you keep care about yourself also. And they will also share these words from my side. You do work, you continue the work going on, but you take care of yourself also. And they have really did the best of their best and tried their best to make this event as you observed for the last 2 days. And there may be some shortcomings because we are human beings. Nobody is complete, or we can say nobody is ideal. Every time, as I told yesterday, there is chance of progress always. If we will stop at any place, it means we are going to come down from that place. So we have tried our best for your best memorable attendance here, and also your stay comfortable. And myself personally, as a chairman of organizing committee, I am very much thankful to all of you, especially the representatives of this ISRPT, because they mobilized the fellows. First point is they trusted upon us that we are able to hold or organize this conference. And I am not sure, I am not confirmed that either they are satisfied with our duties or our performance or not. But we tried our best. And the second thing is, because so many times I heard from my friends who are working at different places, that Professor Rehan is pressurizing us to get registered for your coming conference. So I am very much thankful for sir that you have mobilized the delegates, and I also shared one of my feelings regarding the invitation which we get from the fellows at the time of certain ceremonies, like marriage ceremony and other things. So what is written there, your presence will be please honorizing me. So I used to think that they are inviting us, they will host us, And even after that, they are thankful to the participants and the person reaching to that place. Then after certain interval of time, I thought that the matter is, if he is preparing for 500 persons for anything, and if nobody will go there, so what will be the result of that program? So in the same way, we tried our best to make this occasion memorable and also good. But without your participation, it was nothing. So we are thankful, sir, because so many delegates, they have come from different parts of the country and they spared their time. We are at our own place. We are staying with our families and all those things. But the fellows are the delegates, the speakers who have traveled along. They are away their family, their place and all those things. So they might be missing for last 2 days. So we are very thankful to each and everybody. And also I am very thankful to my residents, my non-teaching staffs who have made their commendable job to make this event successful. And in front of all witnesses sitting here, they will be moving their own place. But I promise for my residents and my non-teaching staff, that as far as I am in the department, I will not allow any problem to come before you. I am ready to solve it. The thing you have done here, please continue it, and I am ready to take care of yourself, your family and everything. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir, for your kind words. Now, I would like to call upon Professor K.K. Sharma, sir, President of ISRPT. No other phrase, I would say, would do justice to his being. He is a passionate soul and has made a benchmark in the field of pharmacology. His book is well read by everyone and makes pharmacology more comprehensible and understandable for us at PG level also. And also he's been so active in the conference throughout the 3 days. He has patiently heard every session, and which is a source of inspiration even for us at the level of residents. So your kind words, please.
Thank you very much for providing me an opportunity to be standing before you and express my views or opinion or feelings after the conference. You see, as such, Aligarh, yesterday in the Bushaira ki Sham or Ghazal ki Sham, you must heard the definition of the Aligarh and the affection, love, adoration of the people of Aligarh, not only among themselves, but also all over the country, and how Aligarh has contributed to the development of our country, both by education, culture, science, and everything. And we are really fortunate that the society got an invitation from this institution, which is a very great. You must have seen that since last 3 days, Dr. Singhal is every time and most of the time remain present. And this shows the legacy and direction and leadership he has given to the department, who have given the hospitality to everyone. They provided right from the head of the department to, I think, Dr. Jamil and other people. I think Dr. Sharik is the junior most faculty. So they have given a very cohesive. You see, differences are there in the departments, in most of the department, but to give an appearance as if they are one. So this is an example of the department. Right from the top to the bottom, everyone was there one day or the other and took care of all delegates with their heart. You see, India has got about, I think, 27 or 28 states, and looking the profile of the delegates, I think 16 or 17 states have been already represented in the conference by their delegates. Like from Jammu and Kashmir to Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, people have come. And from south to, this is from north to south, and then from east to west, up to West Bengal and Mumbai, Goa, people have come here. So this shows not only the love and affection, adoration and confidence in the society and the people who are working, that is the host, Dr. Ziauddin, Dr. Nasiruddin, and their team. And they have not left any stone unturned in providing the hospitality to each and every one of the delegate. And I think Dr. Nasiruddin very first day said that we are doing everything, but if there are some mistakes, some problems, the whole responsibility is theirs. So humble they are. This is about the hospitality. Another thing is the scientific part. You see, the whole program, Aligarh is not a place where many people will like to come, although it is very culturally rich, very old institution, but many times, like in Delhi, many people they come because one relative or the other relative is there. So even if the hosts are not able to provide them a comfortable accommodation, they stay in their relative's house. But in Aligarh, being a small place, may not be have relative for everyone. But even then, the profile of the delegates, as I told you, that is represented, well represented, right from the north to south, west to east here. And the scientific program which they have made, I think covered, everyone will agree with me that they have covered most of the recent things, right from the genomics to the all elements of the patient care, whether it is diagnostic, therapeutic, preventive, everything is taken care right from the CME to the end of the day. So I really congratulate the team of Dr. Nasiruddin and vision of Dr. Ziaur Rahman that they have designed a scientific program, I think, which has been liked by each and everyone. And discussions were very healthy. And other thing which I have noted is that confidence of the younger generation in the society. If you see here, my age is 72. Dr. Singhal is elder than me. And youngest, I think the one who has joined pharmacology department just now, they have come here. So this is a message to the younger generation that they have confidence in the society, in the host, and in the welfare of the science in the country. And I think no society is well represented the way this society is represented during the conference. And I congratulate each and everyone who have come from all corners of the country to attend this program, as well as the host department, right from the head of the department to the other, like class 3, class 4 employees. They were working all through the evening, morning, night. So my congratulations, and our obligations are there. God bless them to have very good health and provide such scientific treats in the future also to all parts of the country. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Professor H.S. Rehan, sir. He has published a lot of papers in various reputed journals, and he's a source of inspiration for all of us. And for the society, he has been actively working and encouraging all of us in the younger generations to put forth our best efforts and bring out the best for the society.
Dr. Sharma has spoken everything from his heart, and now there's nothing in my heart. Dear Dr. Singhal, lighthouse for this institution and the department. So rightly said that we have representation from almost 15 states out of 30. Come on, yes. Acha, up to you. Are you? Okay. Thank you, sir. Sir said about the program. When we take a conference, it has certain elements, right from the scientific program to the volunteers. And in between we have scientific program. Dr. Zia was working for the last 6 months on a program. Constantly he was giving us a phone call. We had a series of meetings in Delhi. I remember it was a day of a Rosa, and we met in a Safdarjung Hospital, VMMC, in Dr. Tripathi's room. I was feeling guilty that it's a Rosa and we cannot offer him even a drop of a water. So that sort of a meeting, that sort of a dedication he had in making a program. Sir said very rightly that program emphasized basics and well advanced topics, which is a backbone of any conference to be a success, because it has to cater all levels of delegates. It emphasized experimental, drug utilization, genomics, and more so surrogate markers, new surrogate markers. Good research was there. Speakers, 95% of the speakers, they adhered to their schedules, which is an achievement in itself. Normally, many people, they don't turn up when they find that no remuneration or money is going to get. See, this is our society. We don't pay to the speakers, remember, even in future. We never pay to the delegates. Many people ask us, many our members also try to ask, but we don't pay because we all pay the registration fee. So this is a different society. If I say the rationality, it has to start from within the home. This is a concept. So many people, they don't come to attend the conference because they have to spend the money. We have to change the culture of the people that it's a combined effort to share the knowledge, you know. Culture program was tremendous. Delegates were amazing, I'll say on our delegates. There are few delegates here, those have not missed even a single conference. And associate delegates haven't missed the conference. I will take name also, Dr. Vikram and Dr. Deepa. They've been attending all the conferences. So, and yesterday Dr. Vikram, he's a community expert. He's from PSM, public health person. And he was saying that what we can do for a community and how ISRPT can devise some modules for the community and the public health doctors. Yes, we can do pharmacovigilance for them. You mentioned it rightly. And with this, we'll see that how we can benefit more and more number of. So with this, certainly we'll see that how we educate our medical officers working in a periphery so that we can do that. Thank you, Dr. Vikram. And we got another associate member with us, Dr. Gallot, Mr. Gallot. And he is a civil engineer, but he has fallen in love with us. यहाँ पर अलीगढ़ में थोड़ा प्यार दिल की बातें थोड़ा जल्दी हो जाती हैं सर. 2.5 दिन में हमारा भी प्यार हो गया. तो don't try that it is over. So smile because it happened, and it happened exactly the way we expected. Even more than that, it happened. So जब प्यार हो जाता है तो ट्रू लव जो होता है वो तो जैसे एक मूवी बड़ी खत्म हो जाती है, ट्रू लव वाली मूवी हैप्पी एंडिंग पे, तो कभी हम सोचते नहीं कि इनके ऊपर कोई बुरा भी होगा. हैप्पी एंडिंग जो होती है वो हमेशा चलती है और नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी होती है, ट्रू लव स्टोरी. सो दिस इज अ स्टोरी ऑफ love of ISRPT with this institution, with this department, which will be going forever, and this puts the further responsibility on the department. कि इतने में काम खत्म नहीं हो गया, तो आपको हर डिपार्टमेंट के आदमी को हर कॉन्फ्रेंस में आना है, लोगों को मोबिलाइज करना है कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग, हम सारे मेंबर्स इकट्ठे बैठे हैं और जो हमारे ऑब्जेक्टिव है नेशन को आगे लेके जाने के, नेशन सोसाइटीज और उनके एंडेवर्स से ही आगे बढ़ता है, विच इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई वोंट टेक मच टाइम एंड आई से एक छोटा सा शेर, क्योंकि कल थोड़ी सी बड़ी गजल वजल हुई तो मौका ही नहीं मिला, मैं मिनट से बनाकर रह गया. एक पल में बर्बाद कर देते हैं दिल की बस्ती को, फराज का शेर है. एक पल में बर्बाद कर देते हैं दिल की बस्ती को, वो लोग दिखने में अक्सर मासूम होते हैं, AMU जैसे। थैंक यू।
Thank you very much, sir. Now, I would like to invite upon Professor S.C. Sharma, sir, Dean Faculty of Medicine, to address us with his kind words. And before I call him, I would like to extend my thank you note to him, because without his efforts, this conference would not be convened, and he has made a significant contribution to the success of this conference. Thank you, sir.
Dignitaries on the dais, dear friends, ladies, gentlemen, and dear students, good afternoon. I hope that you must enjoy this scientific feast for the last 3 days. You must enjoy the different views of experts from the different parts of the countries. And this has a definite role in any clinical trial of any drug. Now, though there is a definite relation of these drugs with the clinicians, and I hope that in future there must be an exchange of the views between the pharmacologist and the clinicians. I must thank to the stalwarts of the pharmacology, Professor K.K. Sharma, Professor K.C. Singhal, and Professor Rehan. Those who have come from a distant place to give a definite experience of their definite experience in the clinical trials. I have been associated with Professor K.C. Singhal since 1983, and I do have some projects with him. So I know about his capability, about the academic and other procedures. In the last, I thank the team, Department of the Pharmacology, Professor Ziaur Rahman and their team, who had worked hard to give a definite shape to this scientific session. Thank you very much.
Anybody who wants to come forward and express? Any delegate?
Good afternoon, all the delegates. I'm just voicing my opinion, and I hope I'll voice opinion of every resident present here. This ISRPT Con 2017 has truly been a blend of academia and cultural endeavor. All the scientific sessions were very enriching, and the best part was the topics were according to the focus of an final year PG. And each resident, I would especially like to thank Dr. Ashraf and Dr. Nida. They took so much of pain to cater all our needs. They were even available at odd hours. Whenever I had a problem, I just used to WhatsApp them and they were there for me. Then the visit to Dr. Ziaur Rahman sir's home and academy was, I was awestruck by his passion and all his collection, that he has done so much of work over the years to preserve Aligarh's rich heritage. And then I would just like to say that we were beautifully introduced to Aligarh's culture by this conference. And the Khamiri roti, the firni which we had, they were so delicious. The cultural program, especially Dr. Johnny Foster, the whole session was so enjoyable. And this was the first time that I experienced Ghazal. So it was really nice for me. And the warmth and hospitality of everyone in AMU has really touched our heart. And all our apprehensions were like, they vanished within the first hour that we arrived in Aligarh. And in the end, I would just like to say that I would definitely come back to Aligarh to really experience Aligarh in true sense. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Janvi. That was indeed kind of you. Now, anybody else who wishes to say something? Now, I would like to invite Professor. Okay.
Good afternoon, everyone. It was very nice to be here at ISRPTCon 2017. When I registered for this conference, I was not in hope that I will get such a knowledge. But after I attended each and every sessions or symposiums or discussions, I learned too much that I have never thought about. The conference was very nice. It was very nicely organized by each. The people were all cooperative, and I enjoyed the food. I enjoyed the food of the conference. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, we have Priyamada ma'am wanting to share her experience with us.
Dignitaries on the dais and respectable delegates from all over the India. Really, it was very nice to be here, although I was thinking that whether not go or not to go. But finally I decided I'll go as Dr. Nasiruddin has invited me. So I found it was very well managed and was very nice. All the sessions, especially the Feast for the Brain, was very good. So thank you very much, Dr. Nasiruddin and Dr. Zia. Nice to be here.
I would request Professor K.C. Singhal sir to say a few words.
Professor K.K. Sharma, the President of the Society, Dr. Nasiruddin, Chairman, Department of Pharmacology, the General Secretary of the Society, and most importantly, Dr. Ziaur Rahman. I think this is one of the very well managed conference, and the support which he has received from the university, from the college, and from his department is commendable. I have been in this department for about 35 years, and I'm grateful to them that they have given me this opportunity to be here yesterday and today. We have had very good deliberations, and these deliberations were focused at rational drug therapy, largely, finding alternative means of conducting experiments, finding alternative means of teaching pharmacology, leaving behind the basics of pharmacology which we had learned in our times. We were in the laboratory, we worked in the laboratory, and most of the research publications, starting from Professor P.N. Saxena, Professor K.P. Gupta, Professor Om Chandra, all were related to animal experimentation. But this is all now history. Animal experimentation, the skills have gone. The new postgraduates or even the technicians of the department and most of the teachers of the department, they have not done these experiments. They have tried to put the old wine into the new bottle by devising experiments for clinical pharmacology. I was talking to Professor Premavada Sharma. She shared me the anxiety of this. And what we are training, what we are teaching is absolutely different from what it was. After putting a ban on the animal experimentation, the pharmacologists of this country have not been able to devise alternative syllabus. And this is not a year or two, this is decades now. पानी जब बहता है तो अपना रास्ता ढूंढ लेता है, उसी तरह से यहाँ के फार्माकोलॉजिस्ट भी बहाव के साथ अपना रास्ता ढूंढ रहे हैं. They have not made any efforts, not made any attempts, not made anything to establish the science of pharmacology. इन्होंने कोई ऐड नहीं किया. And when you do not add, what was bad when pharmacology was materia medica? There used to be a lecturer in materia medica in the Department of Medicine. How we are different from that? Finding a job in industry, how many can find? And even if they find, is that the aim and goal? We have lagged behind in research. We have lagged behind in every field. It is not the just self-appreciation which is enough. What I feel, another thing is that there are not many clinicians associated with the society. When we talk of rational therapeutics, we should have 50% of clinicians. Because without their help, support, ideas, and all that, we cannot lead to success in this direction. And that is very essential. And we must make all efforts and endeavors to associate them actively and participate in the meetings and conferences. Because if we do not do that, we will be failing in our duty and responsibility towards society, what we are claiming. So it's not the question of talking high or big. We must do some introspection and see what pharmacologists can do and they have done and can be doing now. We have got eminent pharmacologists like Professor K.K. Sharma. His book is very well known in the field of pharmacology now. Professor Rehan, he is another stalwart of pharmacology. Professor Premvada Sharma, Professor Tripathi, and so many others. We have all forgotten our days. We have not put anything new. So we should do introspection, we should do something, otherwise pharmacology will become materia medica from where it started. And it will be irrelevant. So with these words, I congratulate Professor Nasiruddin and Professor Ziaur Rahman, who have worked very hard, and his entire department has supported him, and the faculty of medicine which has supported him, the university has supported him. So I thank all of them. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. About Professor K.C. Singhal, sir. Since the time I have entered the department, we have our seminars and presentations. So he's been in this chairman in the department previously. So when we used to give our presentations, and there's an aura that comes, okay, abhi Singhal sir hote to, Singhal sir hote to. That was his aura. So it is still talked about, and that is his personality as of now. Now, I would like to call upon the backbone behind this conference, that is our very own Professor Syed Ziaur Rahman sir. He has worked endlessly and tirelessly day and night to make this conference a success. And apart from academic activities, he is fully involved in administrative activities also, which is a big bonus. And he's taken a lot of pain and fought all odds to make this conference a big success. So I would like to request him to give a vote of thanks to all of you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Nidar Rizvi. Before I move for the vote of thanks, I would request the newly elected President, Professor C.D. Tripathi, and Professor Sandeep, my good friend Professor Sandeep Kaushal, the General Secretary, to please come over here and say a few words. First, I would request Sandeep Kaushal, the General Secretary, and Professor C.D. Tripathi, you can also join us on the stage.
Thank you very much, Zia. So it has really been a pleasure. This is my third trip to Aligarh, and every time I found something new, I made new friends and had very good cherished memories. There are just two words I would like to say about this conference, which has been very well organized. So we had feast of two types. We had an academic feast, which has really saturated our receptors in the brain with intrinsic activity of one. We had a gastronomic feast, and that's why all the receptors in the GI are also saturated, so they also have an intrinsic activity of one. And it's really have been a very good opportunity, and really it puts forth a higher level for the next conference which we're going to have in Patna. And we expect much more things over there in Patna. So we are also making some changes. So what we are putting up a email ID that is suggestions at ISRPT website. So if you have any suggestions to give for the society, we would definitely look into programs to make it more academic, make it more interesting, and get more opportunities to meet and greet, make new friends, and learn new science, as Professor K.C. Singhal has already said. Thank you very much. Thank you, Dave.
Hello, dear friends. Dr. Nasruddin and Dr. Jia has really done a wonderful job in organizing this conference. And when you look at the scientific session and the delegates, I will say delegates, majority of them are the young, budding pharmacologists. And it is very good that most of the time they were participating in the scientific program. And some of the presentations by these young pharmacologists were extremely good, very good. So we hope that this type of the attitude of the ISPRT members remain in future, and in future we will also get much better scientific presentation during conference, and we hope that we will be able to achieve more academic and scientific endeavor in the following years to come. And just I would like to mention what Dr. K.C. Singhal had mentioned, that the pharmacologist has to do a lot of things to achieve to accommodate the changes happening around us. I remember when we were students, Dr. P.N. Saxena, I saw his demonstration to cannula and in the ventricle, intracellular ventricle, and it was very interesting that he himself was able to demonstrate to us those experiments, and we still remember that. But the things have changed over the period of time, and really Dr. Singhal had mentioned that we have to devise certain way and means so that the academic deficiency which has happened due to the non-performing the animal experimentation, that is taken care by some other ways. And we hope, sir, in the years to come, we will be able to get these things sorted out, and we will pressurize all those the academic bodies and regulator to include those things in their postgraduate training curriculum. So at last, everything, including academic and our stay, even I am coming here for last so many years, Aligarh Muslim University, and mostly staying that guest house number 1. But that guest house has also changed over the period of time, lot of change. So not only here, but everything is getting changed. And we hope that whatever they have done as a host, it was wonderful. And it is a challenge for the next host, I believe. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much, Dr. Sandeep Kaushal and Professor C.D. Tripathi, sir, because they are the newly elected team members. Respected, I must say, the ex-president, Professor K.K. Sharma of ISRPT, Professor Rehan, the ex-secretary of ISRPT. I'm adding ex because now I'm going to address the... Okay. Okay, from January. Okay, fine. Okay, I agree. Okay, so still you are the General Secretary of the Society. Okay, thank you. And my revered teacher, Professor K.C. Singhal, who has always supported me in all my career. The chairperson of the Department of Pharmacology, Professor Nasruddin, and distinguished delegates, my colleagues, my friends, the supporting staff of the department, of the Faculty of Medicine, of the Principal Office, and especially those delegates who have come from abroad, especially Professor Burhanuddin, who especially came from Dhaka, Bangladesh, and he's also the head of the Department of Pharmacology, Ibn Sina Medical College, Dhaka. And another delegate was from Nepal, Professor G.P. Raunier, Gajendra Raunier. It's their interest and dedication that they came all over from the different countries. So I again welcome to both of them and thank to both of them that they came over here and attended this ISRPT conference. So this also shows the Maqbooliyat, you can say in Urdu, of the society. It's my privileged duty that I should also announce the results of the poster competition as well as the oral free papers presentation. We had a good numbers of papers for these two competitions. We had around 40 research papers for these two competitions, and the scientific committee finally selected 11 papers for oral free presentations. And obviously, out of 11, we had to choose one paper. So our jury has selected one paper, which I'll definitely announce. And the society is giving two medals, like JIPMER Prize as well as the X-Farm Prize. So JIPMER Prize is for the poster presentation and X-Farm for the oral free presentation. That is the award of these ISRPT. And I heard that ISRPT is for the next year probably they are going to organize an oration after the Professor Ranjit Roy Chaudhary. So that will be another credit to this ISRPT society. So I would also like to tell you that we had a good number of delegates. Around 186 delegates got registered to this conference. And even today we had one spot registration. So we had around 12 spot registration, and 70 were from outside the Aligarh. 75 were from the outside Aligarh, and rest from the local, means from Aligarh. And we also had a pre-conference workshop on a very interesting topic, which was suggested by Professor K.K. Sharma, that we should have two sessions also for the pre-conference workshop, one for the rational use in the clinical practices, and another one is for the regulatory aspect of the clinical trial. And that also was attended by many delegates. And we also had a good resource person, again the scientific committee and other members, especially Professor K.K. Sharma, suggested me a few names, and we invited them as a resource person. I'm also thankful to the supporting agencies, especially our university, Aligarh Muslim City, and Indian Council of Medical Research, Department of DST, and also the National Academy of Medical Sciences. Because of their support, we could be able to organize this conference at JNMC. My last duty is to announce the results, because most of the people, the students, they were waiting for these results. These are the medals which ISRPT has designed, and in the inaugural function, Professor K.K. Sharma and Professor Rehan already showed these medals. So our jury panel, and you all know that we had two prizes, JIPMER and X-Farm. So the first prize, in fact, the jury for the oral free presentation has decided to give only one prize. So that is the first prize, you can say first prize for the X-Farm. And that prize goes to none other than very favorite student of Professor H.S. Rehan, I must say, Dr. Janvi Meni. Congratulations, Dr. Janvi Meni. And I request all the dignitaries here to honor her, because that is the best award which the society is going to give. I also request Professor Ravindran, because he donated these two awards. So, Professor Ravindran, we are really very honored that you are here on the same day.
better data and a better preparation. So in fact, is a request to all head of departments that make sure that their students produce better studies, and there should be a more tough competition next time.
All dignitaries, please stay there. And I'm going to announce the result for the poster presentation. And what the jury decided that we should have the first prize, which is the JIPMER medal, and also we should award best poster award of the day, best poster of the day. So for 21st of 11th, best poster award goes to Swati Kaushik from the All India Institute of Medical Science, New Delhi. Swati, are you here? Swati Kaushik. Okay, anybody from All India Institute of Medical Science on her behalf? Or her friend? Or anybody from Delhi itself? Okay, forget. Professor K.K. Sharma will take. Okay, fine. Thank you. Okay, so best poster of the day for 21st of 11, that is to Dr. Sumayya Shehzad. Dr. Sumayya Shehzad is from Department of Biochemistry, JNMC, AMU. So anybody of her friend? Nahi hai. Or I think Ankita, you can come and collect on her behalf.
With the promise that you will deliver to him.
Okay, sorry, the medal is, thank you. The medal is, this JIPMER medal is going to Dr. Gaurav Mittal. Gaurav Mittal from Subharti Medical College, Meerut. I think I can request Dr. Surabhi Gupta, ma'am. So, Dr. Surabhi, Professor Surabhi Gupta. Probably Surabhi Gupta is her teacher. Thank you so much, and I'll give this Swati Kaushik certificate to anybody from you. Thank you so much, sir. Now.